Hi guys, so now I have a little stand for the embroidery, which is really nice and comfortable, and I'm gonna show you how to do this part of the little bird and also this. So we're gonna do these lines like an outline, and you can choose any color, and I'm doing here what I did. Actually, I split the strand so I have like a thinner thread now. So you can do that, so you just split it in half, the thread that you have. Okay, so I'm gonna start here. So you're gonna do a little stitch here. And then you're gonna jump forward through the back and then come back to the hole, like that. And the first one didn't work really nice, but anyway, that's the idea. And just come back to the same hole to make like a line. Okay, so we're gonna keep going with this. Oops, little knot here. So to the same hole. Like that. And just keep going here. You can do stitches like as big as you want. Doesn't have to be perfect, so the idea is this is like a freestyle kit. Okay, like that. So also another idea here, you can like do it like that, or just do this, like you do like a whip back stitch. So you go through here, through the inside, so you see that the line is like nicer. So you can just go like that. So you see the difference here. And the idea is like we're gonna make the eye the same idea. And then this, same idea with the same kind of like back stitch, like outline. And then here the same. And the other so far is just filling the shape. But if you want to do something else, that's cool. And then the last thing that we're gonna do is like the little tassel.